Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can create your account on the stake. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the stake option. We have to open the stake app, and now simply we have to click on the sign up. And after clicking on the sign up, now we have to choose that what is our reason, like the funds or the properties. So let's say I'm going to click on the properties here, and now we have to sign up with the Google, and we need to choose the email account which we want to continue with. So let me choose my email account. For example, I'm going to choose this one here. So let's click on this, and now we have to click on the continue again. So as you can see, now account will be created. Now we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So we have to mention the password here. So I'm going to write the password here, and let's click on the create account here. And now we have to enter our number. We have to enter the number, and we have to choose the country here. For example, I'm going to choose my country. Now we have to click on the send code, and we will receive the OTP. So we have to wait for the OTP. As you can see, now simply we have to click on the accept and continue. And as you can see, I'm going to click on the not now. And as you can see, I'm going to click on the not now again. So as you can see, now account is created. Now you are ready to use, and you will be able to see all the options here. So in this way you can create your account on the stake. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.